Good morning, children. Welcome to Standard 6 online science class. Hope you are all safe by the grace of God. Let us continue our 6th unit, Health and Hygiene, today. So, in the last two classes, we have discussed in detail about the vitamins and their deficiency diseases, right? Today, we are going to continue the components of food. The remaining components of food we are going to discuss. The first one is minerals. Do you remember what are the components of food? Yes, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, so water, etc., isn't it? So here now we are going to discuss in detail about the minerals. Minerals are required for growth as well as for the regulation of normal body function. So for growth and regular body function, these minerals are required. Okay, then green leafy vegetables like spinach, pulses, eggs, milk, fish and fruits are important sources of minerals in our diet. Minerals also a protective food. So minerals are also a protective food. That is, they protect us from the diseases. Okay. So here are some of the minerals and their functions. The first mineral we are going to see is about calcium. So calcium, hope you know what is this calcium is used for. Yes, for strong bones and teeth. For strong bones and teeth, as well as for the clotting of blood. Then the second one is phosphorus. The second one, phosphorus. What is phosphorus? See, what is phosphorus? Phosphorus, it is also meant for strong bones and teeth. Strong bones and teeth. The third one, iodine. Iodine is for synthesizing of thyroid hormone. You all know we have a thyroid hormone. To synthesize that, to improvise that, this iodine mineral is required. That is why we are using the iodized salt in our diet, right? Yes, good. Similarly, the next mineral is iron. Iron for the formation of hemoglobin and a brain development. Hemoglobin means what? Yes, for the formation of blood cells. Blood cells in our body, this iron is more required. And also for our brain development, this iron is required. So here are the minerals and their functions we have discussed. Hope you have understood. And here is an interesting fact. 80% of the world's production of Moringa leaves is in India. Moringa kira, you know, no? Yes, that is 80% of the world's production from where? It's from India. The major countries which import Moringa leaves are China, US, Germany, Canada, South Korea and European countries. Okay, from India, all these countries import the moringa leaves. Okay, why it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, calcium, iron and proteins. So it also contains powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are present in this moringa leaves. So here afterwards, never skip to eat the moringa leaves. Okay, whenever your mother asks you to eat them, you should not refuse. Okay, good. That sounds good. Okay, now the next component of food, that is water. Water, our body needs an adequate supply of water in order to maintain good health. So to maintain the good health, what is needed? Water is adequate. Adequate means sufficient amount, required amount. Okay, required as amount of water is needed by our body to maintain the good health. Any human being should take minimum 8 tumblers, that is nearly equal to 2 liters of water every day. So you calculate your intake of water every day, whether you are taking 2 liters of water every day. It's a minimum. So minimum you must take 2 liters of water every day. Are you all verify whether? If not, try to follow it. Okay, children. So that's about the components of food. So here is a table given, an activity is given. Try to complete this table, children. Nutrients, sources and their functions are listed. So some gaps are given. Try to fill up these gaps and it will be useful for you. Okay, children. So the next topic is health. As we have discussed here earlier, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Physical, mental and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease. Okay, as I said, no, you should be physically fit, mentally fit, as well as you should behave well in the society. Then only you will be termed as a healthy person. So without living without disease alone is not will not make you a healthy person. Eating healthy diet keeps you physically and mentally fit. So food plays a vital role in your physical and mental fitness. Okay. When you are physically healthy, you feel confident, you are more outgoing and have a greater capacity for enjoying life. Right, yes. Unhealthy food choices leads to obesity. Obesity means overweight and illness, preventing you from socializing with friends and family. So because of obesity and illness, you are prevented from socializing, that is becoming friends with everybody. Okay, so it all will be prevented by because of this unhealthy food choices. So choose your diet carefully. Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A diet should contain adequate amount of all necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. A diet should contain adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients required for the healthy growth and activity. So if it is a diet, what it must do? It must contain all adequate, as I said, required amount of all the nutrients. All the nutrients. For what these nutrients are required? For healthy growth and activity. That is called a balanced diet. Is it clear, children? Good. See, here is a food pyramid. Okay, it's a diagrammatic representation of a food pyramid. So, bread, cereals, rice, pasta. So, these are the basement of the pyramid. Fruits and vegetables are the next level. Meat, poultry, fish, eggs, milk. All these are cheese. All these are other level. Yogurt, all these are next level. And fat and oil are the sweets are the final level of this food pyramid. Okay, children. Yes. So let us see how does this balanced diet helps. The balanced diet, an increased capacity to work, gives us an increased capacity to work, gives good physical and mental health. Okay. Increased capacity to resist disease. Resist means to fight against the disease. Helps in proper growth of the body. So because of this balanced diet, your capacity will to do work will be increased, your physical and mental health get improvised, and your body's capacity to fight against the disease will be improved, and also it tends the body to grow in a proper way. Okay, so a balanced diet contains sufficient amount of various nutrients to ensure good health. So a balanced diet should contain what? Sufficient amount. Okay, required amount of not only one nutrient or only one alone. Various nutrients, all the nutrients together to ensure. So these nutrients must give good health. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. Food should also provide that appropriate amount of energy and adequate amount of water. So by that food, the food which we are eating, that food should supply us energy as well as adequate amount of water. Such a food is termed to be a balanced diet. Is it okay, children? Do you understood what is a balanced diet? Hope you so. Okay, the next topic is malnutrition. When your diet is not a balanced, what would be the consequences? So if you're not eating the balanced diet, what are the impacts? Observe the picture carefully. Does these children look normal? Guess what would be the reason? Let us get into the picture. So here are the pictures of some children. See, are they are normal? Are they are looking healthy? No. Why? Because they are suffering from malnutrition. Okay, because they are suffering from malnutrition. And this malnutrition occurs when all the nutrients that the body needs are not obtained in proper proportions from the diet. So the food is not supplying the enough nutrients, then it leads to malnutrition. Okay, the word malnutrition refers to the condition that results when a person does not take a balanced diet. So if a person is not taking balanced diet, that is the diet supplying all nutrients, then it will leads to malnutrition. Malnutrition leads to deficiency diseases. The diseases that are caused due to lack of nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. So the diseases that are caused due to the lack of nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Is it okay, children? Do you understand? So if the disease is the reason for the disease is due to the lack of nutrition, then such diseases are called deficiency diseases. Get it, children? Good. Then India has the second largest number of obese children in the world after China, according to a study that has found that 14.4 million children in the country have excess weight. So India has the more fat children. Okay, the second largest country to have the obese children is, obese means what? Fat. Okay, is India. Okay, children. So we have to be aware about all these things. So what may be the proteins and mineral deficiency diseases? Proteins and mineral deficiency diseases. If lack of protein and lack of minerals are found in our diet, it may lead to some type of diseases. Let us see what are they. The protein deficiency disease are Kwashiorkor. Okay. Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor. Okay. So what are the symptoms? Stunned growth. So the growth of the child will not be according to their age. Swelling of face and limbs. So face and limbs means hands and legs will be swollen, and diarrhea. These are the symptoms of Kwashiorkor. The next protein deficiency disease is Marasmus. Marasmus. Okay, so the symptoms of this disease are skinny appearance. Skinny means very lean. Okay, there will be no flesh. Only it seems as the bones are covered by the flesh, thin flesh. Okay, such appearance and slow body growth. The body growth is not according to the age. Okay, so these are the protein deficiency disease. Now we are going to learn about the deficiency disease of mineral. Mineral deficiency disease are calcium. The deficiency diseases, rickets, because of vitamin D also this ricket occurs. Similarly, at the lack of this calcium, so also results in rickets. Okay, children. Then phosphorus. If lack of phosphorus leads to a disease called osteomalacia, osteomalacia, okay, osteomalacia, osteomalatia, osteomalacia. Then iodine. What is iodine? Iodine, it creates a deficiency disease called Cernitism. Cernitism in child and goiter in adult. See some uh, some of them have a Adam's apple at their neck. No, Adam's apple. It is because of this deficiency of iodine. Okay, children, you know what is Adam's apple? When you when you can look into your neck, when you swallow the saliva, your neck will be bulged out. Then it is it may be you might have this deficiency iodine. Okay, children. Then finally, mineral. Lack of mineral causes anemia. Anemia, you know, no sufficient amount of blood in the human body. Is it clear, children? So these are the deficiency disease of minerals. Okay, so we hope you have understood today's lesson thoroughly, children. Do the assignment as well as learn the assignment simultaneously, then it will be very useful for your exam preparation, children. Then and there, clear the things. Don't bundle everything together, then it will be very difficult for you. So learn the question answers then and there, children. Complete the assignment, report in the group without fail with your copies. Meet you in the next class, children. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents, make your parents to get vaccinated.